All right, next lesson is going to be 8.2, multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. Polynomial means many. Monomial means one. I'll stop. All right. Distribute negative 3x squared into the polynomial of 7x squared minus x plus 4. It's distribute property, right? So you take the negative 3x squared. You're not too big yet to be drawing them arrows. Okay, going like whoop and whoop and whoop like that. Whoop. And then each one of those arrows means you do what operation?
Distribute.
Distribute, which is multiplying. All right. So do your numbers times your numbers. So negative 3 times 7 gives you negative 21. X squared times x squared gives you x to the 4th. Good. So there's your first one. You go to the next distribute. Negative 3x squared times negative x. Negative positive 3x to the 3rd. Good. Okay. Add exponents, right? There's one exponent on that x. And then negative 3x squared times 4 gives you negative 12 x squared. Good. So 5 times negative 4 gives you negative 20. A squared times a squared gives you a to the 4th. Plus 10, a to the 3rd. Minus 35, a squared for that one. There's something else. Yeah, there's something else. Clayton? Yes. All right. What about the bottom? What's special about it? There's how many terms? 4. Wonderful. All right. So negative 3 times negative 6 times 3 gives you negative 18. D to the 7th. All right. Plus 6 times 2 gives you 12d to the 6. Add exponents there. Add exponents. All right. Plus 6d to the 4th plus, nope, hold on, minus, there we go, 54 d to the 3rd. How many times do you distribute now? Twice, good. So 2p into there and there, which gives you, let's see here, negative 8p to the 3rd plus 10p squared, yes?
Yes, sir.
All right. What's the next line? Hands up, one person. Kylie.
Negative 2p to the 3rd plus 10p to the 2nd minus 10p. Wait.
Did we finish this part yet?
Oh. Wait. Oh, I'm sorry. I was, alright, but I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Minus 10p to the 3rd plus
10p, okay, 10p to the 2nd, right? There's no p on the 5. Okay, there's no p on the 5, so that becomes 10p to the 2nd. All right, now she did the one I thought she was going to mess up, or someone was going to mess up. Okay, what was that? What was I thinking? It's negative 100. Okay, I thought someone was going to put positive 100. Remember, if you have that negative sign right there, it's got to go with both times. So negative 5 times positive 20, negative 100. Okay, now it didn't happen this time, but it will eventually. When you distribute multiple things, multiple polynomials, always check at the end for like terms. Okay? I'm actually lying to you guys right now because it did happen this time. Wow, I need more coffee. I don't need a frappuccino, I just need more coffee. What like terms are up there? The p squares, right? So we're going to go through and combine those. Alright. So then you go negative 8, p to the 3rd. Minus 100. Because the 10 p's cancel out. So distribute that 3. 15x squared plus 6x minus 12. Distribute, did I get it? Yeah, looks good. The negative x gives you negative 7x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x. Should it not be? Yeah, negative x. Positives. Alright. Everybody good? What's left? Standard form, like terms, stuff like that. Yeah, okay. So like I said, I always instantly look for my biggest exponents first. Alright, so I find my negative 7x cubed. There's no like terms like it, so I write it out first. And then I go to my squares, which are there and there. Combine those to give you, what, 13?
Yes.
6x and 3x gives you 9x. And then negative 12 all by its lonesome. To do this one, we're going to pull a whole bunch of algebra out of our toolbox. Okay? And the first step of that is going to be what? Starts with a D. Distributing, okay? Distributing. So distributes galore. Here and here. Here and here. Here and here. Which gives us 2x squared plus 8x plus 7 equals x plus 8 plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 12. At least they're all pluses. You're welcome. All right. Now, what do you see on the right-hand side of your equals? X's, x squares, and numbers, right? I see a whole bunch of terms that could be combined. Yeah. Okay, I see a whole bunch of terms on my right side that can be combined. So let's do so. 2x squared plus 8x plus 7 equals 2x squared plus what? 3x plus 20? Everybody see that? Alrighty, now how? What do we do next? Bertelsmann.
When you added the x and the 2x, wouldn't that become 3x to the second?
No. Like terms.
Oh,
Like terms, not multiplying. Okay. Like terms. Kylie.
You subtract the 2x squared from like, it's not like it's, I don't know I don't know how to say it, like, it's like a little kind of like.
Well, why can you? Good. Yeah, you nailed it. We're going to start moving the x's up the same side, right? Okay, so now we're going to start with our 2x squared terms, which is the new stuff, right? We haven't solved anything with x squareds in it, and guess what? We ain't going to start today. We're going to subtract 2x squared from both sides. When you subtract 2x squared from both sides, what happens? They cancel out. At this point in your life, that's still going to be the case. All right, we are still not to solving x squares. It's on the horizon, but not today. Okay? I was wrong. I made a mental boo-boo somewhere. I was wrong. I think you guys are right. Okay? You guys might be right. What's your next step? Subtract the 3x to the left side to give you 5x. What could you do at the same time? Subtract 7, give you 13. X equals 13/5. All right, here we go. Distribute everything. So you get 10a squared minus 4a plus 6a squared plus 18a plus 8 equals 4a squared plus a plus 12a squared minus 8a plus 50. Like terms galore. on the left and the right. Alright, so the left-hand side, you have a 10a squared plus a 6a squared, 16a squared. 18a minus 4a gives you that plus 14a plus 8 equals 16a squared on the right minus the 7a plus 50. Subtract that 16a squared from both sides. Now, and I'm going to say for now because it won't be for always because the time is coming up. For now, these a squared terms should cancel on both sides. Okay? You don't know how to solve one where an a squared gets left in the problem yet. Okay? So they should cancel every single time. Leaving you with 14a plus 8. Let me write that a little neater. Equals negative 7a plus 50. Add the 7a over to the right, or over to the left, you get 21a. Subtract the 8 over, you get 42. Divide by 21, a equals 2. Day. Your homework is page 485, 18 through 42, evens.